Tahiti nui te wharea o ri tawa ere ai. Amana hi whenururi au e aha te uru. Tahiti nui te wharea o ri tawa ere ai. Amana hi whenururi au e aha te uru.
Just take it easy on the hips. Don't take it easy on me. Okay. Now it's time to teach how to do it.
Yeah!
Here we go. Let's take it easy on them now. Take it slow.
Anyone who wants to dance
Come
on
on.
the stage.
On the dance floor, please. Come on. It's just for fun. Yeah. Go there. You have to represent nicely. Go easy.
Okay.
Easy on the hips.
If you have dancing shoes, I want you to stand.
Okay.
I want you to stand.
This is 1, 2, and 3.
Ah, okay. Kailangan pala.
Yeah, let's take it. You gotta roll it. Babali ang balakang. Okay. Easy. Okay. Oi. Mama Joe, come on. Wait. You have the one, so you gotta go. Okay, easy on him.
Okay, when you're Tahitian dancing, your heels stay on the ground, feet are together, you bend. Back straight, shoulders back. Okay? It's all here.
All on the hips.
On the hip.
Get there, I know you got it.
All on the hips.
All right, so let me see what we do.
Okay, easy.
Here we go. Go, go, go. One.
Ikot.
Ikot, ikot.
Gonna roll it. That's how you do it. Yeah, throw it left, right, left, right. Easy on the hips. That's right. You can just throw it left, right. Go, Risa. There we go. You can do it freestyle. You can't do it freestyle it. Oh yeah. Go Karen. Put up Karen. She can do it. Woo-hoo. That's how you do it. Shake and bake. You shake and bake. Shake and bake. Shake and bake. We don't want 911 here. Very good. Thank you very much to the Cabales family.